Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about two stocks which Basant Maheshwari feels can be bought with a 1-year perspective. Now friends, we have recently started offering channel memberships and it's a request for you to go ahead and enroll. This would help you to get access to our member-only chats, member-only videos, early access to our videos and a lot of other niceties. To enroll, please go ahead and click on the join button below and follow the steps. Please watch this video to know more about these two stocks. Now the first stock that he mentioned on a recent television interview for buying from a 1-year point of view is ICICI Bank Limited, which is available at Rs 400.55 and the face value for it is 2. The symbol for it is ICICI BANK. The bank is engaged in providing a range of banking and financial services including commercial banking, retail banking, project and corporate finance, working capital finance, insurance, venture capital and private equity, investment banking, broking and treasury products and services. The bank's business segments are retail banking, wholesale banking, treasury, other banking, life insurance, general insurance and others. It has a network of approximately 18,210 branches and automated teller machines. Now, as is evident from the 1-year chart, this company has been on a steady uptrend with a lot of wealth being generated here. The company has a market capitalization of 2,58,196.24 crores. The EPS of 5.3 translates into an optically expensive price to earnings ratio of 75.58 when compared with the industry PE 37.80. However, please remember that these companies are coming off a very poor period of underperformance and these numbers may improve going forward. The company has a price to book ratio of 2.53, which is not very highly expensive, and the dividend yield for this stock is 0.37. None of the original promoters of the company hold stake as of now. Now the second stock on the list is Axis Bank Limited, which is available at Rs 780.70 and the face value for it is 2. The symbol for it is AXIS BANK. Now Axis Bank Limited provides a suite of corporate and retail banking products. The bank's segments include treasury, retail banking, corporate and wholesale banking and also other banking business. Now this company has also been on a beautiful uptrend and a lot of wealth has been created here as well. The company is a large cap with a market capitalization of 2,768.32 crores. The EPS of 3.82 again translates into an optically very expensive price to earnings ratio of 204.37, which again is high due to the previous period of underperformance. The price to book ratio of 3.16 is also slightly expensive. The company did not pay out any dividends and the promoter holding is on the lower side at 23.05%. Also, none of the promoters holding is placed. Now friends, when speaking on the same interview, Basant Maheshwari stated that in case of ICICI Bank, some of the wrongs of the past are now being taken care of and both these stocks are now playing a valuation catch-up. In case of ICICI Bank, the bad news is already discounted and Axis has the best of brains coming from the insurance industry. He said that the management was going to try and change the bank, but he also cautioned that these were not 5-year bets and if somebody has to consider a stock for a 5-year period, it should still be HDFC Bank. Now friends, please don't consider these to be recommendations on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all of the content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.